Hi everyone. Welcome to Speak English Basics. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're going to learn essential English words for beginners.
Learning basic words is the first step to speaking English confidently. These words will help you in everyday life, whether you're traveling, working, or making friends.
We'll cover greetings, verbs, nouns, adjectives, numbers, time, shopping, and much more.
Let's get started.
Let's start with the first thing you need to know: greetings and polite words.
These words help you start a conversation and be polite. Common greetings. Hello, how are you? Hi, nice to meet you. Good morning, teacher. Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening, how was your day? Goodbye, see you tomorrow. See you later at the party. Polite words and phrases. Please give me some water. Thank you for helping me. Excuse me, can you help me? Sorry, I'm late. You're welcome. Anytime.
These words make your English sound friendly and natural.
Next, let's talk about common verbs, words that describe actions.
These are words you use every day. Basic verbs and examples. Eat. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Drink. She drinks coffee every morning. Sleep. I sleep early at night. Read. He reads a book before bed. Right? Can you write your name here? Listen. Listen to the teacher carefully. Walk. We walk to school together. Run. He runs fast in the race. Work. I work in an office. Learning these basic verbs will help you make simple sentences easily.
Now let's talk about nouns, words for people, places, and things. Common nouns and examples. People: man, woman, child, teacher, student, doctor. Places: school, home, park, hospital, office, market. Things: phone, book, chair, table, car, bag.
Example sentences. The teacher is in the classroom. I go to the park every evening. My phone is on the table.
Next, let's learn words for time, dates, and numbers. Time words: today, tomorrow, yesterday. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. Days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Months of the year: January, February, March. Numbers: 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 10.
Example sentences. Today is Monday. My birthday is in December. I have 3 books.
If you're traveling, these words will help you ask for directions. Keywords and phrases: left, right, straight. Near, far, next to. Bus, train, taxi, airport, hotel. Example sentences: where is the bus stop? Turn left at the next street.
Shopping is fun. Here are words to help you buy things in English. Common words: cash, credit card, price, cheap, expensive. Shop, mall, market, supermarket. Example sentences: how much does this cost? I want to pay with a credit card.
Now it's time for practice. Try these exercises. Write 5 sentences using today's new words. Comment below. What's your favorite English word? Practice speaking with a friend.
Learning essential words will help you speak English confidently.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak English Basics.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.